Okay, now we're going to look at one of my favorite double leg takedowns from the 2-on-1. Now, when you have this 2-on-1, a lot of the time what people are going to do to defend is they're going to try and square up and push you away, and they're going to try and drag, use enough leverage by pushing your face away to slide that elbow out, okay, and get that arm out. This is very common because he doesn't want me to go to his back for one, so he steps back with his leg so I can't do his back, but he wants to create an angle like this, like he's starting a lawnmower, so he can slide this out. So I'm going to use this momentum against him. I hold this position, okay? He steps back with his leg, he's pushed me away. Now what do I do with my right leg? You see my right leg is now in between his legs? Remember when Louise was talking about double legs to aim about this point? Look where my leg is, exactly the same. What I'm also doing is I'm bringing my hips close to him, okay, which makes this angle very hard to pull his arm back now. Now he has to pull his arm up in the air, which is near impossible. All I'm going to use is this arm against him. He's like either here, he's on here, whatever it is, he's pushing me back. I'm holding him, I'm bringing him close to me. As soon as I'm going to pop this off by pushing his arm up in the air, simultaneously, I'm going to use this right arm here to drag him over the top of my head. I pop this off, I drag him over the top of my head, and look where I am already. And then I can just drive this knee to the ground, push my hips up in the air, sword them to this position here. I'll show you that a little quicker. We're in this position, he's here, I bring my foot under here, pull, straight in. I'm here before he even has a chance to sprawl, but he sprawls, and I turn, I take this position. We can go again from the other side. Oh, sorry. I have a 2-on-1 here. He's pushing me back, I bring my foot in. I'm trying to be deceiving, I don't want him to see this, okay? And then when I can, even if he's pushing my head or whatever it is here, I use this arm against him. I pop it off, bring him over the top. Do you see how deep I am before he can even sprawl? And then as he sprawls, I just push my hips forward, okay? Plant my hands together and just slide out like that. One time a little quicker. Nice. I will add something. Sometimes I want to set this up a little better. So what I do is I transition to the other arm. Sometimes I might not like shooting on this side. I might want to shoot on this side. So as he's pushing me away, this is what I can do. I can switch sides. He's pushing away. I grab his arm that's pushing me and I pinch this to myself. I'm using a C cup to drive this into myself. Try and get this arm back now. It's hard. Yeah. It's locked. And then watch what I do. From here, I just turn and now I have the 2-on-1 on the other side. He does the same thing. He's pushing my face away. Grab, hold it to my own head. It's hard for him to pull that away. Switch. He does it again. Grab, switch, and again. Switch. Remember, the hand on the wrist stays on the wrist. Okay, it's the one underneath that goes to the other arm. Push me away. Hey. So if you want to do this, you can do this. And he thinks you're just transitioning, and then he goes to push you away again. Pop. You're here. Practice that one.